Hello children, I am back. Welcome to the second session. In the first session, I explained you about the Cleveland city and the area, the street of Gates Avenue, how it looked like, and also about a small girl from Gates Avenue. The girl, she came to the school by wearing a very dirty dress, and her face was not clean and she was very untidy. But one day when the teacher asked the girl to wash her face, clean her face and come to the school obeyed the teacher, but she wore the same dirty dress. So the teacher thought that she will give her a new dress. So the teacher gave her a new blue dress, and the girl took the dress and she rushed home. Okay, up to that I explained. Yeah, shall we move on to the page number 21. The next morning she came to school in the new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. The next day the girl, she wore the new blue dress. What is the color of the dress? Blue color, and the dress is very new. And she was very clean and tidy. So how the girl is looking? The girl is looking very nice, pretty, and also she was looking very clean and tidy. She told her teacher, "My mother couldn't believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress." So this girl, she came to the teacher and she was saying, teacher, today morning when I had my bath and when I wore this new dress, my mother was very surprised. She could plus not couldn't, short form. She couldn't believe her eyes, and she saw me this morning and she was very surprised. See, V1 form, saw, V2 form. So the mother is surprised to see the girl who wore the new blue dress because her daughter was looking very pretty. My father wasn't at home, was plus not, short form wasn't at home, but he will see me at supper tonight. She was full of excitement. The girl was full of excitement. Excitement means happy, strong feeling. Okay, so the girl is saying, without the teacher asking, this girl is going on saying, teacher, my father was not at home. He went out maybe on some work, and today evening or night he will be back to home. At the supper time is dinner time, and he will see me. See here, the meaning of the supper is dinner, okay, and told, past form, tell, told. See, the girl here, the change started in the girl. So just because of the new blue dress given by the teacher, the change started in the girl. So she became, she's looking very clean, she's looking very tidy, and also she's wearing the new dress and she's very happy and she's excited also. Yeah, next paragraph. When her father saw her in the new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. So, in supper time when the father came home, he was surprised to see his daughter. Okay, see, V1 form, saw is the past form. The opposite word for the new opposite word is old. Okay. So he was amazed. What is the meaning of the word amazed? Surprised. He was surprised to see the little girl wearing the new blue dress, and he was very happy to see, and he is thinking that, oh my God, look at this, my daughter, she is looking very pretty. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. So, already first surprise has come in the form of his daughter wearing the new dress and looking very pretty. And what is the second surprise? When they are having the dinner on the dining table, he was surprised to see that there is a tablecloth. Okay. The family had never used a table tablecloth, they used to have the dinner directly on the table. Now the wife, she has put the tablecloth on the dining table. This is a second change he has observed. We are going to begin to be tidier here, his wife said. So here the wife is saying, see, our daughter is looking very clean. She is maintaining cleanliness. She is looking clean and tidy. Then now it is our turn. We have to be clean. So from now onwards, we have to be tidier. Okay? Tidier means more clean. Tidy, tidier, tidiest. Degrees of comparison. Okay? I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. So the mother is saying, see, look at our daughter. She is so clean. She is giving importance to cleanliness. Then why shouldn't we? We also should be very clean. We have to keep our house clean. Everything should be clean even in our house. I am ashamed. నాకు సిగ్గుగా అనిపిస్తుందండి. మన అమ్మాయి శుభ్రంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఉండకపోతే ఏం బాగుంటుంది చెప్పండి. So she was saying that to her husband. Okay. After supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband watched silently. After supper, what the mother, she began is a past form, to wash the kitchen floor. So as soon as the dinner is over, she went into the kitchen. She kept the kitchen floor clean. Her husband watched silently. So the husband, like a spectator, he is observing all the changes that are happening in the house. Yeah. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. Now the turn has come. Now he began to do some work from his side. He went outside. Opposite word of outside is the inside. And he past form is began. He began to repair the fence. What is the fence? The fence will put for the gardens. కంచె అంటాం కదా, చెట్లు అవి ఏమి పాడవకుండా ఉండడానికి మనము కంచె వేస్తాం. So maybe the fence has become very old. So he started repairing the fence. Maybe he started putting the paint to the fence. The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. So not only keeping the fence properly, he thought of, no, this is a time that we should have a nice garden also. With the family's help, here the family's help, who are the members in the family? Mother, father and their pretty daughter. These three members together, they started keeping the garden or growing nice plants. Okay. Next paragraph. During the following week, that means already the change has took place in the girl's house. That means the change took place in the attitude of the girl, her mother and her father. Now, after a few days, that means the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. So the neighbor, he observed that, what is happening in this, these people are doing in their house. Okay, they are putting the paints to their house, they are putting the fence, they are doing the garden. Okay, they are very busy in keeping their surroundings clean. Then why don't I? So he also started keeping his surroundings clean. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house. So this man also started painting the house. For the first time in 10 years, that means after 10 years, this man, he thought of painting the house and keeping it clean. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. So after a few days, what happened? The young minister of church. Who is the young minister of the church? Maybe the pastor or maybe the main important person in the church. Okay. One day, this young minister of the church, he was walking through that street and he observed these two houses. When compared to all other houses, only these two houses looked very clean and their surroundings are also very neat and they are having the garden. and the fencing was very proper and painted. Everything looked very, very clean. So, for the first time he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue and no street light and no running water. By looking at these two houses and the two people working very busy in front of their houses, now this young minister, he came to know that, oh God, look at this street. There are no street lights, there is no pavement or footpath, and there is not even the running water or drinking water facility for these people. Okay. For the first time he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue and no street light and no running water. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserves help. The minister thought. He asked some important citizens in the city to help them. So he thought that this young minister of the church, when the people are trying to keep their surroundings or homes neat and decent, why shouldn't I play my role? That means, why shouldn't I extend my helping hand for them? So he came into contact with some people who are ready to donate some amount. He contacted the donors. దాతలు అంటారు కదా, విరాళాలు ఇస్తారు దాతలు. కొంతమంది ముందుకు వచ్చి వాలంటరీగా స్వచ్ఛందంగా హెల్ప్ చేయడానికి వస్తారు. సో వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడాడు. సో మాట్లాడి he made all these arrangements. What are the arrangements? Footpaths or pavement, running water or drinking water, and also the street lights for this Gates Avenue. A few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gates Avenue. After a few months, so pavement was ready. There was a street light on the corner. On the corner of the street, there was a street light, and the houses had running water. So the houses, they were supplied and provided with the provision of running water. 6 months after the little girl got her new blue dress, Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. So all these changes happened within the 6 months after the girl got this dress from the teacher. So the initiation taken by the teacher or the impact of the teacher has led to this much of change. Okay, and now once the Gates Avenue was dirty street, okay, now the street was changed to the place where respectable citizens live. What is the meaning of the word the respectable? That means decent people are living here. Now, when people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. So this news about the Gates Avenue has spread from one person to another person, one area to another area, that, oh God, look at the Gates Avenue. Once upon a time it was very, very dirty, but now that street looked very amazing, neat, clean. All the houses are painted and they are looking very nice. So all other people in their areas also, they also started to take up the cleanup campaigns. What are the cleanup campaigns? Pachadam Parshubram antam Telugulo, Haritahana programs, Ramadan program. These are all the programs which will bring the changes in the localities, which will keep our surroundings clean. So everybody voluntarily, they started organizing these cleanup campaigns and started keeping their surroundings clean. Since 1913, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. So since 1913 onwards, so 7,000 towns and cities, they have organized these cleanup campaigns, and they started painting their houses, and they started repairing homes, and they started making their lives better, and they started living very happily and peacefully. So you will observe the change was brought gradually. The change won't occur in overnight. Okay, మార్పు అనేది ఒక రాత్రిలో జరిగేది కాదు. It takes time. It happens gradually, but the impact will be long lasting. Positive change will have a long lasting effect. Okay, who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a a new blue dress. Nobody knows that the initiation taken by the teacher to give the new blue dress to the girl will bring these many changes from home to home, from street to street, from towns to town, and it spread to the cities also. So if you want to bring a change, don't expect that somebody will come and they will bring the change. Evaro vastaru edo chestarani kaadu. Why don't you be the person to be the starting point for the positive change? ఎందుకు మనమే కాకూడదు? ఒక మంచి పని చేయాలంటే ఎందుకు ఆ మంచి పనికి మనమే శ్రీకారం చుట్టకూడదు? సో ఆల్వేస్, సో దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ నైస్ లెసన్, మెసేజ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ లెసన్, and this is a lesson which everybody has to take it very seriously. And the children here, the message given to the students, they have to obey the elders and they should come to the school clean and tidy. When coming to the teachers, we have to observe our children. We have to look into their problems. And if anybody, any girl or the boy, any children is having, they are having the problems, so we have to take the initiation and whatever we can do, we have to do for the betterment of their lives. And here, even the society, everybody has their role to play. So here, the initiation taken by the teacher has a lots of impact in the child's life and also in the surroundings, and also the change was brought in the not only the town, also in the city of England. So this is the way the new blue dress has brought lots of change in the child's life, and also the Gates Avenue street was completely changed and set itself as a role model to the others. So with this, I hope you understood the lesson, the new blue dress. Coming to the meanings: running water, main water supply; pavement, footpath; excitement, strong feeling; amazed, filled with great wonder; decent, respectable; organized, to arrange. Then coming to opposite words: near, far, dirty, clean, ugly, beautiful, long, short, happy, unhappy, sad, polite, impolite, rude. These are the opposite words from the lesson. Coming to the degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative; dirty, dirtier, dirtiest; pretty, prettier, prettiest; ugly, uglier, ugliest. Okay. Then coming to present tense, past tense: V1 form, V2 form. Come, came; go, went; give, gave; take, took; buy, bought; think, thought. So these are all the grammatical elements that were there in the lesson. Now see the page number 21. Glossary is there. Okay, all of you write the name of the lesson in your notebook and note down the glossary. Turn the page number 22. Comprehension questions. Just I will discuss the answers with you. You try to write down the answers in your notebook because I have clearly explained the lesson. Okay. What kind of street was Gates Avenue at the beginning of the story, and what happened at the end? So at the beginning and at the end. At the beginning, Gates Avenue was very dirty, and it was a short street but looked very long, and poor people lived there and their houses were not at all painted. Okay. But what happened at the end? At the end, Gates Avenue street looked very clean, tidier, and it became the role model to other people also, and it was a street where decent and respectable people lived. This is the change. Why do you think the teacher gave the blue dress dress to the little girl. So what is the reason? The reason is, though the teacher asked the girl to wear the neat dress, but she was coming to the school in the same dirty dress. So the teacher thought that the mother was not at all interested. Maybe she is least bothered. So she thought that why shouldn't I give her a new dress? That's why the teacher gave the new blue dress to the girl. What change did the new blue dress bring in the little girl's house? So there are the changes. First one is the girl, she started wearing the new dress, and she started going to the school in a clean and neat way. Second one, mother, she spread she put the tablecloth and the dining cloth, and she kept the kitchen very clean and tidy. Then the father, he started repairing the fence, and he started making the garden also with the help of the family. They painted their houses also, and everything looked very, very clean. These are the changes that were happened in the girl's house. Yeah, how did the change in the little girl's house influence the neighbors? Not only the change brought in the house, but also it had the influence on the neighbors also. The neighbors, observing these people, they also started painting their houses, making the gardens, and keeping their surroundings clean. Do you think the behavior of the people influence others all the time? Give examples. Yes. The behavior of the people influence others all the time. So we should be very, very careful, and we should have a good behavior. And this good behavior are keeping ourselves, working hard, punctuality, cleanliness. These are all the good things. These things will be passed on, or they will have the influence on other people. We have seen one example that the teacher, she took the initiative, she gave the new dress, and the new dress had brought so many changes in the lives of the people of Gates Avenue and also in the city of Cleveland. So with this we have concluded this lesson. Hope you understood. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Have a blessed day. Bye. This is Vanlata signing off for today. Bye.